Structure Therapeutics shares down over 40% in the last 6 months, even as its oral obesity drug advances in trials. After giving upbeat data on the small molecule pill back in June, the company is now working on a study to determine the max tolerated dose to be used in a phase 3 trial. For more, let's bring in Structure CEO Ray Stevens. Ray, great to have you with us.
Thank you, Melissa. It's great to be back.
Yeah, we were talking about the phase 2A trial. You're going to start the phase 2B trial right now in the fourth quarter. Can you give us a status check on that?
Yeah, absolutely. So we had this summer, we released our phase 2A data, very positive data, very pleased with that. We also had very low discontinuation rates. And very importantly, we also disclosed some of our manufacturing capabilities. We have the ability to manufacture more than 6,000 metric tons, which means that's enough material for more than 100 million patients. So that's really important. This is really about accessibility right now in the field. We initiated last month our phase 2B study. It's actually two different studies, what we call Access and Access 2. Access 1 will take us up to 120 milligram dose. That'll get us to equivalent to best in the field. And then going up to 180, 240 milligram dose, we think we have the potential to be best in class in the oral GLP-1 small molecule field.
So can you clarify what best in field versus best in class? Is best in class also comparable to the injectables on the market currently? And so there's a thinking that your drug right now, that candidate, could actually be as good or better than some of the injectables already on the market?
I think it has that potential, what we're seeing so far, correct.
Okay. And you also, though, see a potential not only to sort of, I don't want to say usurp, but take over some of that market share, but also be a maintenance drug. Can you talk us through where you see the markets in terms of growth and TAM?
Yeah, so first of all, the TAM, this is the biggest drug discovery market that we've ever seen. A TAM right now, $150 billion. So very big market, a lot of different opportunity. The maintenance phase is what we see as actually the biggest opportunity. Whether one initially starts on an injectable first or the primary care physician may want to start on an oral first, the real opportunity that we see is the majority of people stop taking the injectables after a period of time. The oral pill is something that we think will be more tolerable for the patients that take these medicines. And what we'd really like to see is continuing on these medicines, like the statins for controlling our cholesterol. We think trying to control body weight is something that we really see the maintenance phase, and oral pills have a real opportunity and application for.
You talked about your manufacturing capability right now for this particular drug. In recent, in earnings releases at conferences, you've highlighted the fact that the cash position is enough to take you through 2027. Do I read that as we don't need a partner? We are not looking for a partner. We are not looking to team up with any other company. Other companies, look elsewhere if you're looking to buy something.
So for commercialization, we believe that we would like to have a partner for commercialization. The market is just enormous. The number of people that we can help with these medicines. Again, earlier on the show today, it was highlighted from Eli Lilly. By 2030, more than 1 billion people will have obesity. That is a very big population, and really trying to fit the needs. This is clearly an area that oral small molecules can serve, as we've seen in other classes of drug, again, like the statins, as an example. So we think that manufacturing oral small molecules really is the solution to address the large market